Hello designers! So in this tutorial, we are going to be learning the very easy step-by-step process of finding all of your ClickDesigns marketing kit templates. So we actually already have videos on the ClickDesigns marketing kit going into the specifics of each social media platform. We already have a YouTube playlist on the channel detailing all the different templates for each platform. So this tutorial is going to be a generalized overview of the marketing kit and how you can pretty much find every single template for that. So after you've logged into your dashboard, all you have to do is to go to the template section. So simply click on templates here on top. So from here, you'll be able to view several different categories of designs and graphics that ClickDesigns has to offer. So as you browse through the categories, you want to click on one that says marketing. So click on that. And here you can view many different social media platform categories that contain different graphic templates specifically curated for each designated platform. So we have here Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, presentation, Fiverr, and finally Upwork. So these are all of the social media platforms for templates that the marketing kit has to offer. So to access graphic design templates for a specific type of social media post, all you have to do is to just click on your desired category. So for example, if I want to make a post on my Pinterest account and I want a template for that, all I have to do is to click on the Pinterest category for Pinterest related posts. So on the side of your account, you are supposed to see different dimensions for specific types of posts underneath that platform. So for Pinterest, for example, there are two different subcategories here. We have one for a Pinterest haul post and one for a Pinterest advert. So this applies to all of the other platforms. So for example, if we go to YouTube, we are going to see also different subcategories for that. We have overlay ads, channel art, outros, intros, display ads, and channel icons and profiles. So this applies to all of the platforms. So for example, LinkedIn, we also have cover photos, portraits, and landscape photos. So this is incredibly convenient if you want to look for a very specific post for a specific platform. So from here, all you have to do is to look and sift through the different templates. If you like one that you want to work on, hover over it and click on the edit icon over here, which is this pencil icon. So that is it. That is how you can access and look through your ClickDesigns marketing kit templates. So again, we do actually have a YouTube playlist on this channel detailing all the different platforms, which is a more thorough breakdown of each if you are interested in that. That playlist is linked in the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.